Hi, this is Sushant Gaur from Urja Packaging, India's largest manufacturing company of paper bags. How can you as a customer ensure that the paper bags that you've ordered are the ones that you receive? An average national retailer in India purchases approximately 120 million paper bags per year. A 2 to 5% variation in quality or quantity is very hard to detect. That is why we've created this video for our future clients to ensure that what they are getting is what they've ordered. So the quality issues usually arise when a vendor decides to change the paper that they've been supplying. Normally POs just mention GSM, however they should also mention bursting factor, shade, whether the paper is MG, MF, what raw material is used to make the paper, agriculture waste, virgin pulp fibers, or it is 100% recycled. In order to check GSM, all you need is a GSM meter available on Amazon worth rupees 500 to 700. You need to cut a square of 10 centimeters to buy 10 centimeters. Weight, whatever it says on the GSM meter, that is the GSM that you are using. A variation of 5 GSM is usually very difficult to control and it is not done on purpose. However, anything below or above that is probably on purpose. Bursting factor is another issue. Bursting factor tells you what the strength of the bag is, strength of the paper is. You can get it tested from your local labs. It takes half a day, 1 day max. Labs charge you around 1,000-1,200 bucks. Alternatively, you could buy a machine which costs around 65,000 rupees in order to do it correctly. Shade variation, when it is a minor shade variation, that's fine because mills get different kinds of raw materials around the year. But when the shade variation happens from something like this is a golden yellow shade to a natural shade, then the price difference is approximately 10% to your vendors, because natural shade has no dye in it and golden yellow shade has dye in it. So you must ensure if the vendor is getting a discount, you must get a discount as well. The third thing is this is an MG paper. As you can see, it has some form of shining in it. When you touch it, it is very smooth. And this is an MF paper. This has no shine. Apart from shine and the smoothness of the paper, GSM, BF, everything is same, mill is same, shade is same. But the customer, when they look at MG paper, printed MG paper, they would feel this is of a much higher quality. And in reality, MF paper is approximately 10% cheaper. So same as before, you must get the same discount if your vendor goes from MG to MF. So let's talk about shorting now. Apart from the total material being shorted, there is another issue prevalent in this industry. If the PO suppose mentions that you want an 8 by 10 inch bag, nobody really mentions that the 10 inches should be usable or they should be total, because as you can see, a machine made paper bag has two heights. This is the usable height and this is the total height. Normally purchase managers mention the amount of space they require to use, but some vendors convert it into the total height. So suppose you want a bag which is 8 by 10 and you are provided it to be 8 by 10 till here, and you get a 1 inch shorting of the usable area, that converts to 10% variation of the size that you wanted and the one that you got. But since if you just flip the bag over, it suddenly has only one height and this will be measured as 10 inches. So it can be proven that the PO mentioned that we've delivered what the PO mentioned. So you need to make sure that you mention usable area and not the total area. If you're buying at a per kg price, you must ensure that you get 3 to 5% extra weight, because over a period of 3 weeks, wet adhesive dries and creates a 3 to 5% variation in weight. We at Urja Packaging, we package every 1 kg pack as 1 kg 50 grams on the day of packaging, and we mention the date when it was packed, so that when the material reaches our client, and suppose the material was made 15 days back and the weight is 1 kg, the client knows it's fine. But if the date was suppose a couple of days back and the weight is showing as 1 kg 50 grams, that is how it should be. If you're getting the exact weight on the date of your ordering, after 3 weeks you will lose 3 to 5 kg, and that is not paper weight which is going down, that is just adhesive weight. So you are paying 3 to 5% extra just for the water. Insist on getting a date of packing on every single packet. If you're buying per piece, please do not weigh 50 pieces and take out an average and try to figure out how much quantity you've got, because any paper bags made over a 15-day period have a very major variation in weights, so you cannot really predict the quantity by weight. We hope you found this video interesting and illuminating, and in case of any requirements for paper bags, you may contact us at the numbers given below.